Hi everyone, welcome into my YouTube channel. Eric Kidega is my name. I have come to introduce for you a course unit called Information Literacy. This information literacy mostly deals with informations, and it will help us deal carefully with the information that we will be sending them out or we will be receiving, and these things will based on computer. It will be computerized, since the world is nowadays going through under science and technology. This information literacy will help us to cope up with and go through with it very well. Now, if I say information literacy, what does it all about? Because somebody out there may be questioning him or herself, what does that information literacy all about? And if it is the case, don't worry. Here is the definitions for information literacy. Information literacy. This is the ability to find, evaluate, and use information effectively and ethically. So this means that this information literacy is the thing that is the ability or the capacity for you to find or to get the methods and use this information you have received or you are spreading effectively. And these things is mainly by using computer or using the internet. And somebody may question himself, how will we use this information literacy? So here is the answer for that questions. How will we use information literacy skills? With the skills we have acquired, we should be able to identify. This means that we should have the ability to give it out to others. With the skills we have acquired from the information literacy, we should have the ability to locate. This is to show others or to show the source of that information. Another thing is that with the skills we have acquired or we will acquire from these informations, we should be able to synthesize, which means that we should have the ability to make it. That is especially in the research. So which means that if you have acquired or you have received some informations, you should have the ability to make that informations or synthesize it into a more understandable way. After getting that information or making that information, we should have the ability to present them. So this means that we should have the ability to show it out, what you have got or what you are sending it out. And the next thing is that through that skills of information and literacy, we should have the ability to translate it. This means that we should change it into a more understandable way. Assuming you get it from the source where it is complicated, you have to make it, you have to analyze it, you have to interpret it into a more understandable way. And by doing that, we will use these information literacy skills effectively. And remember, this is just introductory videos. My main priorities is here, that we will be running through them. And these are the main priorities that we will be learning about that information literacy. And number one, information sources. These information sources, I will take you through them, and we know what are those types of the information sources, examples, and the characteristics. We have search strategy. What does it mean? What are the components or what should be applied to such strategy? And the next thing is plagiarisms. These plagiarisms, we need to know what does it mean and why should it not be used, or where should it be used. And the last things we are going to look is in-text citations, that is in APA format. Remember, we are dealing with the informations. If you are giving out the informations or you are receiving informations, you should know what is mean in-text citations, especially when you are producing the informations. That is in the written format, and we need to know that in-text citation, especially in APA format. So thank you for watching me. This is just the introductory videos to inform you about what will be taking place, and wait for me for the next video about these priorities that I told you. So we will be running them very well. Feel free to subscribe so that you don't miss anything out. Thank you for watching. See you in the